So my last video, I don't know how close these will, and I about my lovely mini satchel, and I am going to finally open up this mold, okay? And the packaging kind of got all ripped up. I had other bags and the buckle like sliced this one open, but I don't believe it sliced the bag open, but we're going to let it do its thing. Beautiful. It is beautiful. And in that spot, there was a little scratch. I don't know if you guys can see it yet. Right there. So, but that's going to happen. So here it is. I love that red lined zipper. This is gorgeous. I really feel like this is going to be the perfect size for me, guys. The perfect. Because I feel like she's just a little bit too small. Just a little bit. I've been itching to open this bag, guys. Itching. When I say itching, I've been waiting so long to have time to actually sit down and give you guys some good content and a partial unboxing. That's what we're gonna call it, a partial unboxing. Because I still have not got my nails done. This one is like, I feel like my nail is like attached with it. It hurts so bad, and then my other nails are super brittle, and the only way that that is going to, I have to be so careful with these scissors not to scratch anything, but they're so brittle to get them done, and I don't have time. There it is. Oh, scratched it with my nail. And that's another thing about Florentine. Scratches super easily, so if that does not fancy you, don't do it to yourself. You're just gonna, every little thing is going to bug you, but I don't mind, because I don't, as long as it didn't come like super scratched up, and you know, I don't mind the pebble look, because I actually like really like pebble leather. Like, that's like my favorite leather, actually. So that does not bother me, the pebbling, as long as it's not like a used bag, you know, I'm okay. If I'm the only one that had to use it pebble, that's fine by me. So got most of it. Oh, there's some back here. It feels like Christmas in July, guys. So this one was $3.98, but I believe I got a deal, so there it is. And I know people put the little brush holder things to keep these straight. But like, that's the fun of it, you know? The movement. Let's open her up, girls. Ready? I always hold this close. That first initial. Okay, she a little, you know, she ain't got nothing in her, really. She's stuffed, but, okay. That's big. Gonna need her because you don't want to get too many scratches. This is just a beautiful color, and you guys, those scratches are from my nails. They're so freaking serrated. Yeah, so, but I'll just massage them out with, I don't know what that spot is right there. It's like, maybe it's part of the leather right there. Just a little light spot of the color. But yeah, all these scratches except for that one. That was, where is it? Right there are from me. Look at the bottom. Bottom looks pretty good. You can see the bottom has a little bit of that texture, but not bad. But I don't mind that. Not at all. And if you guys were wondering what lipstick I'm wearing, I just threw this on. This is the Crayon Case because I support Super Scent. Okay, this is Crawfish. Love it. One of my favorites. I love a red lip. So does my daughter. This is her favorite red lip. She's always asking for the crayons, but it has to be red. So this is the inside. Stuffing out. Here's the strap and the keeper. Okay, you stuff stuff. Oh yeah, you stuff stuff. So, wow. And you know, there's a zip pocket back here. What is that? Slip pocket. And then on this side, it's just a big slip pocket. So, I'm going to do an experiment because we're going to see how this one compares to my little black one. I'm just going to sit her here and we're going to see how my stuff fits in this beautiful bag. I can already tell it's like so much bigger. So much bigger. I'm not really into the measurements. I know you guys are, and there's thousands of videos that tell you the measurements of this bag compared to this one. I will put them side by side so you guys can see the difference. So there definitely is a difference. So we're gonna see. I'm just gonna set this one on my lap. I need a nap. So this is the wallet. This is in Brown Tomorrow. I don't think I mentioned that in the last video, but this is in Brown Tomorrow, the color. I got this to go in here just because brown and brown, and I didn't have like a brown, but they didn't have a chestnut wallet, so that's why I got that. I do have a chestnut kiss lock coin purse, I think that's what it's called, but it hasn't come yet. It's like taking forever. Feminine hygiene. I my deodorant. I don't have any pouch for that to go into my AirPods, my badge. And I'm actually going to slip that into the slip pocket. It's in the front part. Then what else did I have? I had a pack of gum and my mask. So, definitely can fit everything in here that I wanted and some. So, this bag empty, nothing in there. We're going to put her away, and then, you guys, there's so much room in there, so much room, and I knew that this would be the perfect size because I can throw my phone in here comfortably. I can throw my keys in here comfortably on the key keeper. I could put a diaper in here. Diaper right now. Diaper fits in here. I could fit it way better. Pack of wipes as well. So let's see how that goes. Yeah, this is like perfect size. All my items fit in there. You see the wipes, diaper, everything, and I still have room. So we're going to kiss her up. That's what I'm gonna call it. We're gonna kiss her up. Okay. I get so excited about bags, guys. It is just like my favorite pastime. You know, I have so many other things that I like as well, but having a nice bag just does something to me. Puts me in a good mood. Puts me in a good mood. That's why I have so many. I like take pictures up there. That's why that's like an indie spot, but there's quite a few bags that go up there, especially this one. I just took it down from there. But baby, I think I'm going to have to wear her now. Switch out of the mini. I wore her for a week. I really loved her, really enjoyed her. Love. Put down. And this beauty. She's gorgeous. You guys see her up close and personal. Look at her. I'm definitely gonna register her because now I opened her up, but I'm loving this. Oh my goodness. Let's put the strap on. Even though I just put the strap on, I have a strap on. I only use it when I'm like bringing my kids in the morning. Just like if I have food or something like that. That's the only reason. And that's crazy. I don't know. I thought you guys were saying that this comes in with 3-piece, so you can do like, you can hook it differently. Mine's only 2 pieces, it looks like. There's no third insert part. I don't know. This hardware, look at that. That fresh gold, oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Beautiful, just feels high quality. So, it's a strap. And binder. This bag is gorgeous. I thought the black, which I'm very neutral bag girl, like things that I'll match with pretty much everything. I thought my black was nice, but baby, this one is nice. And it's over because I'm not carrying the wipes or the diapers in here, but just knowing that it can do that, and it's giving me let's go. Let's go. It's giving me expensive. It's giving what it's supposed to give. But I am in love. I'm going to be wearing this bag for the next week, and I may come back and do you know, a up-to-date like review on how I like it. And thanks for coming back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's your girl Beauty by Simone, and rate, comment, subscribe, do what you got to. Okay, do what you got to, and you guys be blessed and enjoy this bag. Okay, like I will. Go get you one, girl. Peace.